Search engines are not as delicate and cumbersome as they once were, and that's why you shouldn't worry about confusing Google search, because it'll try its best to help you out, even if you give it less than stellar info. And you can improve your search even further by keeping a few things in mind. Whenever you search for something, always keep it simple. Focus on keywords, and be specific to keep results relevant. So, let's say you needed help with a game. You type its name and the part that's giving you trouble. If that search isn't enough, add one or more keywords until you find what you need. You can use complete sentences if you like, but they're not necessary, because Google does fine with just keywords. As you type in the search bar, Google automatically uses a feature called autocomplete, which suggests the most popular results involving your search term. So when you go to search for waterfall, autocomplete will give you plenty of new ideas. You can pick one of them with the mouse or arrow keys, or you can keep typing to get more suggestions. If you want to refine your results, you can use the tools function. Let's say you're searching for images of acoustic guitars, but you only want to see green guitars. After you click Tools, select Color, and then Green to filter the results. In addition to sorting by size or publication date, you can also click on other tabs like News and Videos to sort them in similar ways. If your spelling isn't perfect, don't worry. As long as it's close, Google will try to correct your mistakes. However, if you want to search for an incorrect or unusual spelling, just click the link. Also, most search engines ignore capitalization, punctuation, and grammar, so don't worry about those. Remember, if you make a mistake, that's fine. A single search usually takes less than a second, so search for whatever you want, even if you're not sure you'll get the desired results. Google Search is a tool that's meant to be used as often as you need, and it can handle almost anything you throw at it. Just remember these tips, and you'll be fine.
GCF Global, creating opportunities for a better life.